Introducing the Pipe Pal Tape Measure, a problem-solving tool. A common problem for many tape measures is slippage of the end hook from the object that is to be measured. Here is an example. And here are a few examples that demonstrate how the problem of the end hook slippage is easily solved with the Pipe Pal Tape Measure. The Pipe Pal Tape Measure also performs as a standard tape measure when measuring thicker objects. The Pipe Pal Tape Measure is a great tool for a wide variety of jobs such as plumbing, electrical, paneling, metal roofing, metal framing, metal fencing, rebar foundation, heating and AC piping, exterior siding installation, gutter work, and many more. For more information, please visit us at our website, www.mypipepal.com.